Okay, so today I'm going to be doing some chicken breast. I'm going to season it. Now, if you watched my slow roasted chicken wings video, I showed you how to clean your chicken wings or just in general your meat. I added some water to the container that I cleaned the chicken. So here we have the chicken breast, and you can clearly see. I just want to trim that fat in here. I want to get all that off. I want it as lean as possible. I'm going to grill these chicken breasts. Okay, so you want to get all of that out. So again, what I'm going to do is fill the water to about here. Add in about 2 or 3 pinches of salt and about a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. I don't really measure, guys, so I'll pour it and show it to you guys, but it may be about a 1/4 cup. All right, so I'm gonna just take my shears and clip this off, and I'll be back. It's kind of hard to do it and hold the phone, but you kind of get the gist of it, right? All of this we want to take out, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to split these chicken breasts in half because they are thick. So I'm gonna actually get 4 cutlets. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so I got to put my glove back on. You see, I cut all of the excess fat off the chicken breast. That's all gone. And then I'm gonna go in with the lemon juice, and I'm gonna pour. Again, I think it's about a 1/4 cup. And then the salt. Just really quick with the salt, nothing major. Let that sit for about 10 minutes or so. Okay, so you're gonna see like all that's coming off the top of the chicken. You see this? Then you're gonna rinse it off and then wash it again. And you should be okay with the chicken breast. I think just twice. Rinse it off and then run some cool water over the top. Okay, so as I did before in my other chicken video, I used the sink to initially take my chicken out of the packaging. That's the knife I use, and those are the shears. So I'm gonna go ahead and disinfect. And in here, I just keep the plate that I had. Those chicken breasts I actually had in another package, and I had them in a Ziploc bag. So I just had everything on this plate, and this is like my trash plate. And then I'll just throw everything away at one time instead of having stuff that I need to take over to the trash can and then like you're dripping all over the kitchen. Just keep a plate or a bag. This has stuff in it now, but I got this from, I believe, the Dollar Tree. And I usually keep, this has my craisins in it. I made a salad yesterday. But I usually keep like a grocery bag here. And this is my trash heap. If you watch Rachel Ray's cooking show, she always has like a compost bowl on her counter. That's where I got that inspiration. So if I'm peeling something or whatever, I just keep it here instead of me having to run back and forth to the garbage. So same instance here. So I just take everything on with this plate and throw it in the garbage. Okay. Alright, so my chicken breasts are nice and cleaned up. And I'm going to use this knife and just split them down the middle. I can't hold the phone and do it, and I'm too lazy to get my stand, so I'll come back. Alright, so get the drift, right? So I'm just going to continue splitting it through to the other side. Okay, so nice clean cutlet. buy cutlets pre-cut. They're a little bit more expensive. I like to just go ahead and do it, especially if I got a really good deal on a pack of organic chicken breast. I'll just go ahead and cut my cutlets myself. And look how pretty they look. Now we're ready to season. You guys already know my staple seasonings. I just wanted to show you how you do chicken breast. And I'm doing my meal prep. So those are 4 chicken breasts that I'm gonna do in my air fryer, and I'll use them for salads or as a protein with vegetables in the evening. These are all seasoned and ready to marinate for a couple hours. Worcestershire, garlic powder, and sea salt. Smokehouse maple. Couple shakes. Refer to my chicken wing video, guys. I used about the same amount of seasonings that I used in there and here. As far as the Himalayan sea salt, I'm trying to reduce my sodium. So I did about, this is the grinder, so I did maybe 2 twists of the grinder, and that's about the amount of salt that I put in here. So I'm gonna put a lid on this, put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours, and then when I come home later this evening, I'll put them in the air fryer, and I'll have meats for the week. I've been marinating for a couple of hours. I just got home from work. Gonna take it out and place it in my air fryer. I've sprayed the basket with some coconut ham cooking spray, and I'm gonna do 2 at a time. Okay. Alright, so I gave each chicken breast a little spray with the pan. I'm gonna turn my air fryer on, and I'm not gonna preheat. I'm just gonna go right in to cooking, and we're gonna hit start, and let's do this for about 15 minutes to start. Okay, so we're gonna do 2 batches. So for the salad portion, I have a friend of mine who makes a salad for me every time I come in town. Kay will text and ask, "You want a salad?" And she made the salad for me, and now this is the only type of salad that I really get into. This is the sweet kale. I got the salad mix at Publix, but they also sell it at Walmart. This brand is called Eat Smart Sweet Kale Salad. The salad kit comes with, let me read off the package. Broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, chicory, dried cranberries, roasted pumpkin seeds, and a poppy seed dressing. Now what I do, Kay opens a can of garbanzo beans into it. This is just the leftovers. I had a big container here, and you dump this in, mix in your dressing, and then drain a can of the garbanzo beans or whatever beans that you prefer. It's just getting in extra protein, and I mix that in and I keep it in the refrigerator for the week. I also sometimes add in some diced apples to this, and I'm gonna put my grilled chicken on top. When I tell you that this salad is so good, I'm also gonna dice up some red onion and just sprinkle that in there. This salad is amazing. So shout out to Kay for introducing me to this salad. Okay, so I just took my 2 chicken breasts out of the air fryer. I'm only going to use one. This is going to be for my lunch tomorrow. So I'm going to dice this up. I put my other 2 cutlets in the air fryer only because I didn't want to hold on to them being in the refrigerator uncooked. I'm going to place them in Tupperware. I can chunk them up if I'm going to do salads all week, but like I said, I can go in and do a vegetable or something like that. So there you have it. Easy meal prep. So moist and juicy. So moist and juicy. My salad is going to love the accompaniment. Look at all the juices on my board. There you have it. My grilled chicken salad. My grilled chicken kale salad. So be sure to subscribe for new content and comment below and introduce yourself. I look forward to getting to know you. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment. And hit that bell on the way out to make sure that you are up to date on all of our latest videos. See you soon.